Hi, everyone. My name is Jessica, and welcome to this English listening practice. I hope you are feeling good today and ready to listen and learn. Today, I want to talk about home. Home is a very special place for me. It is where I feel safe, relaxed, and comfortable. When I come home after a long day, I feel calm. Home is not only a place, it is also a feeling. I live in a small apartment in the city. It is not very big, but it is cozy. I have a living room, a kitchen, a bedroom, and a bathroom. My favorite room is the living room. There is a sofa, a small table, and some plants. I like to sit there in the evening and relax. In the morning, my home is quiet. I like to open the window and let fresh air come in. I make my bed and tidy my room. A clean home helps me feel better and more organized. I do not clean all day, but I try to keep things simple and neat. I also enjoy cooking at home. In my kitchen, I make simple meals. I like cooking pasta, soup, and rice dishes. Cooking at home is cheaper and healthier. Sometimes I listen to music while I cook. It makes the time more enjoyable. In the evening, I like to relax at home. I watch a movie, read a book, or listen to music. Sometimes I drink tea and sit quietly. Home is the best place to rest and recharge. On weekends, I spend more time at home. I clean a little, do laundry, and organize my things. I also like to invite friends to my home. We talk, laugh, and eat together. A home with friends feels warm and happy. I believe home is important because it is our personal space. It is a place where we can be ourselves. No matter where you live, your home can be a good place if you feel comfortable there. Thank you so much for watching and listening with me today. I hope this practice helped your English. Have a great day, take care, and goodbye, everyone.